All hazards for the city of Los Angeles. Tonight, it will be mostly cloudy with a low of 54 degrees. Normally we expected some snow showers, but it's only mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, it will be mostly sunny with a high of 60 degrees.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A mysterious green creature, wearing a Santa hat, and has a dog, was seen going around into people's house and stealing all the presents, Christmas trees, and many more in someone's house. It is unknown whether this individual is hostile or not. The public is being advised to stay alert for more break-in. If this individual breaks into your home, use any firearm if it is necessary. The police will try and search this individual. Stay tuned for more information and updates. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Almost an hour ago, a mysterious green creature that was breaking into people's houses and stealing Christmas trees and the presents has been identified as the Grinch. The Grinch is standing around 6 feet tall, and known weight, and known age, has green fur, wearing a Santa hat, and it is wearing a jacket. He was last seen riding on a Santa sled with his dog. All confirmed reports of the Grinch stealing Christmas trees and the presents has been received across Los Angeles. If the Grinch breaks into your house, use any firearm if it is necessary. The LAPD will try their best to catch the Grinch. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon State Police. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the following counties: Wasco, Marion, Clackamas, Hood River, and Multnomah. At around 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a Grinch that was reported in these specific counties was seen breaking into people's homes and stealing their trees and the presents. This report is also similar in Los Angeles, California. It is unknown when will the Grinch strike next, but the state police is trying their best to catch the Grinch, but ended unsuccessfully. All residents are strongly being advised to protect their presents and the Christmas tree from the Grinch. If the Grinch breaks into your house, use any firearm if it is necessary. Do not let the Grinch get into your house. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. Repeating, a law enforcement warning has been issued for specific counties as the Grinch was seen going around in these mentioned counties in Oregon. Remain tuned.
following notification is about to be activated. Please stand by, as the message is vital for your safety, and, oh my god, it's about to be activated.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of myself, the Vice President, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Grinch was reported to be stealing the Christmas trees and the presents on someone's house across the United States, and as well as Alaska and Hawaii. Many confirmed 10,000s of Christmas trees and the presents were being stolen by the Grinch was also reported as well. The following states are Missouri, California, Oregon, Washington, Kansas, Iowa, Oklahoma, South Carolina, North Carolina, New York, Massachusetts, Michigan, North Dakota, New Mexico, Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Kentucky, Indiana, Virginia, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. All residents in these mentioned states are strongly advised to protect their presents and the Christmas trees. The police and the military are trying their best to catch the Grinch. If the Grinch breaks into your house, use anything that can defend yourself. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is the emergency action termination. The Grinch was now captured by the military. The military has found the Grinch's hideout in the mountain at the northeastern United States, and the military are now returning all of the Christmas tree and the presents to the original owners. This is the emergency action termination. Normal programming may now continue.
Feel me like a Hellcat.